Crypto Geek, and welcome to the Crypto Geek YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be discussing about what is Quant Network. So here's some of the topics we'll be discussing about in this video. What is Quant Network? What is Quant Network's operating system? Who is the founder of Quant Network? What are Quant Network's partnership organizations? QNT utility, tokenomics, and why am I bullish on Quant Network? So let's start. What is Quant Network? Quant Network is a blockchain company that provides technology solutions for the secure and efficient exchange of digital assets. The primary focus of Quant Network is to develop solutions that enable different blockchains to communicate with each other. For example, Ethereum and Bitcoin can't transact with each other because they are built on two different blockchains. Quant Network solves this problem with its operating system called Overledger. What is Quant Network's operating system? The operating system developed by Quant Network is known as Overledger, which facilitates the interconnection of blockchain, enterprise platforms, and networks. Overledger is designed to provide interoperability with a wide range of blockchain technologies, including popular networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its goal is to create a universal gateway that enables seamless exchange of digital assets and information across multiple platforms, thereby accelerating the mainstream adoption and use of blockchain technology. Here's a diagram of the Overledger technology. Who is the founder of Quant Network? Gilbert Verdian is the founder and CEO of Quant Network. With an impressive background in cybersecurity, healthcare, and banking, Gilbert Verdian has worked at companies such as Bernstein Young, HSBC, BP Oil and Gas, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. In addition, he has served in the public sector, working as the Chief Security Officer at Her Majesty's Treasury and later becoming Security Lead for the UK Ministry of Justice. He was also a member of the Bank of England Cybersecurity and Resilience Committee for 2 years and worked with the US Federal Reserve to optimize their payment infrastructure as a part of the Fed payment improvement community. Also, since Bitcoin entered the market in 2009, Gilbert has had a goal of adopting both public and private sectors to blockchain technologies. He even created the ISO TC307 blockchain distributed ledger technologies in 2015. ISO TC307 is an international organization that aims to regulate the use of blockchain technology globally, and currently over 60 countries are using ISO TC307 technology. Gilbert Verdian's work history. So he worked at Her Majesty's Treasury as the Chief Sales Officer and Deputy Chief Technology Officer from 2009 to 2011. He worked at the Ministry of Justice as a security lead from 2012 to 2013. He worked at HSBC security and programs from 2011 to 2012. And HSBC is actually the 7th largest bank in the world. Worked at Bank of England, cross-market operational resilience from 2016 to 2018. He was a Chief Information Security Officer from 2016 to 2018 at VocaLink MasterCard. He was the Security Counsel at New South Wales from 2014 to 2016. And he worked at the United States Federal Reserve Security and Payments Team from 2017 to 2019. This is some of the organizations that Gilbert Verdian is a part of. So I've already discussed before that he was part of ISO. He's the founder of ISO TC307. ISO TC307 is an international organization that aims to regulate the use of blockchain technology globally, and currently over 60 countries are using the ISO TC307 technology. He is the chair of DLT, Distributed Ledger Technology, at BSI. BSI stands for the British Standards Institution. BSI is a business standards company that helps organizations implement and certify a management system. He is the European Blockchain Observatory and Forum board member. The European Blockchain Observatory Forum's goal is to create a community to discuss and highlight key developments of blockchain technology. He is also a board member of the Digital Pound Foundation. The Digital Pound Foundation, which is working with a bunch of other projects within the space to build a digital pound. Here's Quant Network's team. We got Martin Hargreaves, which is the Chief Operating Officer at Quant Network. Martin was the Vice President at VocaLink MasterCard. Laura Verdian, Chief Operating Officer at Quant Network. Laura used to be the Director of Economics and Deloitte. Also, she was a health consultant at Pfizer. Neil Smith is a board of directors at Quant Network. He was the former CEO and vice chairman at Comcast, one of the largest telecommunications networks. there's another board of directors, which his name is Guy Dietrich at Quant Network. Guy Dietrich has 35 years of investing experience, and he was a previously managing director at Rockefeller Capital Management from 2018 to 2019. That's amazing. Let's move on to what are Quant Network's partnerships. Quant Network has a partnership that are split into three categories: legacy, tech, and crypto. On the legacy side of Quant Network's partnerships are SIA and PayUK. Starting with SIA, it is one of the largest payment options in Europe, and it is planning to integrate blockchain technology into its payment services. SIA partnered with Quant Network to explore innovative solutions in blockchain interoperability for banks and financial institutions. PayUK is the second partnership on the legacy side of Quant Network's partnerships. PayUK is the UK's leading retail payments platform, and we can expect this partnership to grow significantly in the near future. On the tech side of Quant Network's partnerships are Oracle, LangChain, and Hyperledger. Starting with Oracle, it is one of the largest software and tech platforms. Quant Network's partnership with Oracle is aimed at enabling interoperability and the creation of secure and trusted digital ecosystems. The Oracle and Quant Network partnership will help businesses leverage the benefits of blockchain technology such as enhanced security, transparency, and efficiency, while still using their existing systems and infrastructure. Finally, the partnership's goal is to speed up the adoption of blockchain technology in multiple sectors such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. LangChain. The LangChain is a project spearheaded by the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, with the goal of encouraging the use of blockchain technology in Latin America and the Caribbean. The project aims to create blockchain-powered solutions that can address practical issues in the region, including limited access to financial services, inefficient supply chains, challenges with the digital identification. The LangChain initiative endeavors to find ways to use blockchain technologies to make processes more efficient, transparent, and secure, while also promoting the development of blockchain ecosystems in the region. Hyperledger is the last partnership in the tech category. What is Hyperledger? Hyperledger is an open source project that is focused on the development of enterprise-grade blockchain-based tools and frameworks. Open source means that the code is transparent and available for anyone to view. Also, Hyperledger offers a range of blockchain technologies that are designed to be modular, interoperable, and customizable to meet the needs of various industries and use cases. In order to clarify this, Hyperledger provides a variety of blockchain technologies that are designed to be flexible and adaptable to different use cases and industries. The blockchain technologies provided by Hyperledger are modular, meaning they can be used in combination with other technologies, and interoperable, meaning they can work together with other systems. Additionally, these blockchain technologies can be customized, enabling users to tailor the technology to their specific needs. Overall, the aim of Hyperledger is to provide tools and solutions that can enable the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and blockchain-based systems that are efficient, secure, and tailored to the needs of different industries and users. Alliance Block, Constellation, and XLM are among the cryptocurrency partnerships of Quant Network. Alliance Block, which is creating a protocol that bridges decentralized finance and traditional finance, has formed a partnership with Quant Network, making it one of the first crypto projects to do so. Quant Network and Alliance Block have formed a partnership to collaborate on developing technologies that enable interoperability between different blockchain networks and different traditional finance systems. As a result, Quant Network wants to make decentralized finance and traditional finance interoperable. Constellation. Quant Network has formed a partnership with Constellation, which is the second cryptocurrency partnership for the company. Constellation is an open source decentralized platform that provides reliable data assurance and framework and developer tools to enable anyone to create and conduct business on it. It can be used to create cryptocurrencies, blockchains, or applications. In simpler terms, Constellation is a platform that allows anyone to create their own application on it. Another project that is partnered with Quant Network is LCX. What is LCX? LCX is a cryptocurrency exchange that is regulated and allows people to buy, sell, trade, and store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. LCX has partnered with Quant Network to promote the adoption of decentralized bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which are digital currencies issued by central banks. These are some of the other partnerships Quant has. So let's move on to QNT utility. So starting off with the first one, which is licenses. To be able to use the platform, developer, gateway operators, and enterprises have to purchase annual licenses. Licenses are paid in fiat, which Quant Treasury then converts to equivalent amount of QNT. This means to use platform, people, and companies who develop software operator gateways or run businesses have to purchase a license every year. They pay for the license using regular money like dollars or euros, fiat. Then the Quant Treasury converts this payment into equivalent amount of QNT, which is a digital currency used on the platform. Also, when QNT token is used to purchase the annual licenses, this will result in the annual licenses being locked up in a layer 2 payment channel for 12 months. Additionally, locking up annual licenses will decrease the circulating supply and the token velocity of QNT. After a 12-month lockup, the licenses expires and the locked QNT is moved to the treasury. To continue to be able to access the system, the developer must renew their license, repeating the process, resulting in QNT being locked up for another further 12 months. When people use QNT to buy annual licenses for the platform, those licenses will be locked up for a year. This means they can't be used or sold during that time. This creates a yearly demand for QNT because people will need it to purchase new licenses each year. As the platform grows, more people will want to use it, which will increase the demand for annual licenses. In turn, the demand for QNT will rise. Developer licenses. Organizations can use Overledger to combine all their DLT distributed ledger technology assets together. They can do this by licensing and running Overledger internally and deploying it on their own servers or cloud infrastructure. Overledger provides a single API, application programming interface, that enables developers to build applications using functionality of all the different DLTs that the organization has deployed. Multi-chain smart contracts extend the functionality of smart contracts used in different DLTs so they can work together seamlessly. Overledger Network Enterprise License. Developers can get a yearly license to develop applications on Overledger by buying QNT tokens. The number of tokens they need to buy will be the same as a fixed amount of regular money. Once they have bought the token and put them into their developer wallet, they'll be able to access the platform for the duration of the license, which is 1 year, to develop, sign, and publish applications. Overledger Networks for Enterprise also allows organizations with an appropriate business model and controls to make its own in-house DLT assets available to partners, group organizations, and third-party developers, and make revenue from the use of those assets in secure, trusted ecosystems of the Overledger network. Determination of enterprise license fees will be based on the following factors: number of users, number of employees, type of number of applications, internal, external, native applications or web-based, etc., volume of Overledger transactions. Overledger Network Gateway Operator. The Overledger gateways, which are designed to enable businesses to share their in-house distributed ledger technology, DLT functionality, or data with partners or other entities. To clarify, business can utilize the Overledger gateways to exchange critical business information among themselves. So another QNT utility is platform fees. Apart from the license fees and developer license approach, enterprises are also obligated to pay a platform fee. This platform fee is calculated as a percentage of the license fee, and it is denominated in QNT. End users will also be required to hold QNT in order to utilize dApps, decentralized applications, and gain access to the Overledger ecosystem. The license key will expire annually and must be renewed solely using QNT. So let's move on to tokenomics for the QNT token. Quant Network has a maximum supply of 14.6 million tokens. Furthermore, the circulating supply of QNT network will decrease as a result of lockups, which makes it a very scarce asset. The term token lockup refers to a specific period of time in which cryptocurrency tokens cannot be transacted or traded. Typically, these lockups are used as a primitive strategy to maintain a stable long-term value of a particular asset. Also, I wanted to mention banking on fixed supply, what it means to investors. Purchasing a cryptocurrency with fixed limited supply is an effective way to profit from future value. When dealing with a cryptocurrency with finite supply, which is Quant only has 14.6 million supply. The price surge is almost always guaranteed. Investors understand the importance of high demand and low supply. So moving on is to why am I bullish on QNT? I'm bullish on QNT because of the huge demand its overledger offers and the scarce tokenomics and utility it has. I see this project easily hitting 1,000 in the next bull run, guys. Its current price is 124 at this time of recording, and its market cap is 1 billion. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.